you're looking for a one-bedroom Airbnb in Kileleshwa, I'm going to show you what I have discovered today in today's episode of Real Estate Perspective. So let's tour this house and leave a comment of what you think about this beautiful apartment. We're starting off at the kitchen. As soon as you get in, the first thing you find is the kitchen space. Like we said, it's a one bedroom, so everything is organized in a one bedroom setup. You'll find a cooker. It's a 2-burner gas cooker. The cylinder is here, so you have nothing to worry about the cooking. And it comes with one bigger one and one smaller one. You can see I love the inbuilt aspect. Leave a comment down below with what you think about inbuilt. Allow me to introduce myself. Jacie is my name, and on this channel we do a lot of things, but our current focus is real estate, and the segment is called Real Estate Perspective. And in today's video, we are going to tag you along in another beautiful house. If you would be interested in this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload. So it has the 2-burner one. One is slightly bigger than the other, which makes your cooking quite easy. Next to it, you have the cooking spoons, and you have the wooden one and the silicone one. And over here, you have your glove if you need to hold your pot, and another small holder and another kitchen towel, and we have a hood. This obviously absorbs the smoke. Because this house is not too big, you need something to contain the smoke so that people can enjoy their stay even as they sit at the sitting area as we head there. Yes, and of course here we have our rack for the dishes that you have used, the thermos and the cleaning accessories. Yeah, so the next thing, we have enough space, plenty of space. Actually, this is a lot of space for a one-bedroom house, don't you think, Hunter?
Yes.
Yeah,
it's
and
very
then
big.
Now you can see they have the kitchen items. You have everything in place. You just come enjoy your stay, whether long or short stay. I'm going to leave the contact down below if you would like to book your stay here. Okay, so there are different things all over the house. I like the sizes of even the drawers. You can put as much. You can see here they have put the lids. Whoever did the organization did an amazing job. They have this sink is a reasonable size. Of course, if you're following this channel, you know I love double sink, but for one bedroom, it's expected this will be sufficient, and the counter space is reasonable enough. I think what has made this house stand out for me is because the cooker takes a small space of the counter, leaving you with no stress as to where you put a cooker if you had to buy an external cooker, which is so cool. You'll see the tiles, they have a cool aesthetic, and it just gives you positive vibes. I love this concept. I've seen it in another house. I think it's something which is now becoming a bit common. After the counter space, we come to this side. This is where you put your fridge and the microwave on top. Yeah, and because there is so much capacity, I believe you can even put the microwave maybe somewhere inside or here if you don't want to put it on top of the fridge. This fridge is reasonable. If you want to stay for some time, you can actually stock up, and it has a key, so you can always use the key to leave your items safely in the fridge, and it's a reasonable size. And also has a nice maker, so you can enjoy your ice cream. And also I want to mention the lighting in the kitchen. You can see it's so bright that you even enjoy being in the kitchen. And despite being a one bedroom, this whole stretch is reasonable enough for you to do your kitchen activities. On my right is the washroom. What stands out for me for this house's washroom is a few features. Of course, you know I've given it a tour before the video, and the first one is the door. Who is enjoying this glass door vibe that we
very cute, and I think it's a modern way.
But then, do you know your bathroom should be having a glass door? Because a glass, you see that your bathroom is going to get wet.
True.
So you see the way your door, the bows, the wood down there tends to chip.
Yeah.
This will never chip. So you just need a durable glass door to be able to, ensure you even have a cute look. Can you imagine? Are you even feeling like you're going to the toilet?
No, I feel like it's like you're entering another room.
Yeah. So
is it transparent?
This is, of course not. You can safely do your thing. Yeah. The first thing you see when you come in is the toilet, and it has a space for the tissue and extra tissue, and then above it you get your towel space and your other small items that you may want to put there, and of course the cleaner is over there and a small dustbin. Do you actually have a dustbin in your toilet or outside your toilet? It's actually very important.
Yeah.
Because once someone is done with washing their hands, where do they throw the serviette? It's very important to have it. Yeah, so on this other side, we have the bathroom. Of course, you know how important it is for me to have a separate toilet and bathroom. So that is how it opens. Yeah, and they have gone an extra mile to put a bath mat to ensure you don't sleep. Yeah. So that's it. And then you open like this. And it is safe. The glass is durable, so you're not scared that it's going to break as you take a shower or you open it. Then of course you have the shower over there. They have given a shower gel, so if you happen to forget or you don't have any soap, and for me having a shower gel is a cool idea because soap gets to become a bit messy. A shower gel you can just pour from the dispenser. It's actually more hygienic, especially for a commercial space. Okay, then this is what you use to heat the water, which is another cool idea. I'm not sure whether it is solar, but if it's solar, it's the coolest thing, you know. On this side you have the sink. The sink is reasonable enough. The size is big. Actually, it's actually super big for one bedroom. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and it comes with some storage space over there. So you put your cleaning detergents and stuff there. It comes with a cute decoration here. Says, happiness is homemade. So you better know if you come to this place, it's going to feel like a home away from home. And of course, you have your hand wash. And if you need some space to store your items like makeup and all, you got your space there, and then you can actually do your makeup. So cool because the lighting is conveniently next to the mirror, giving it a cool feel. By the way, when I lived in a one bedroom, why was my one bedroom not this cool? So the next space is the living room, or the sitting room as you may want to call it. First, you're met with this ottoman and the fleece blanket, so you can actually warm yourself when you're here. And then you get your water is just here. You don't have to worry about water when you stay here. And then you have comfortable couch. As always, I have to do the taste test for you. I think I need a getaway. It feels like this is a cool space. Okay, so we have a 3-seater and a 1-seater. So that tells you this house is not small, because you can see we are not crowded. It still has space, and you have a coffee table with 2 spaces. Under each you can add your items. And my highlight of this space is this part. I like the home is not a place, it's a feeling. So don't think when you come here you're home away from home. You should be feeling at home. Okay, so that decor is spot on. And the additions, I like the concept of black and white, because sometimes we go all out with different colors, but this concept of just black and white, spot on. Yeah, and of course you can see there's a bell there. You can just ring when you have a visitor, and the combination with the other small accessories is good. Of course, one thing you have noted about this house is the color coordination is spot on. You can see the seats match with the carpet and the fleece also, so it was a well thought of idea. So it's actually cozy. I'll take you to the entertainment side. Do you even have this cool setting in your house? I don't think many people have this cool setup. So you actually need, if you don't have this, you need to treat yourself, to a getaway and see different things. Actually, we are also seeing some of these things as we tour these houses. You can see the TV is big. For one bedroom, this TV is huge. Don't you agree, Hunter?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, you can enjoy. Actually, you can feel like you're seeing a whole person, okay? And this background is also so cool. I like the concept. Yeah, so I like everything. And then they have added a touch of decor as a stand that you can put your items here. You know, it's cool. It's not busy. It's so cool that you don't feel like it's a one-bedroom house. Do you feel like it's giving you the vibes of a bigger house, Hunter?
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel that. Yeah. And then of course, nature has to be in this house, and this is the tree of the house, and it's so beautiful. I like that it's not complicated. It's just small, aligning with the size of the house. This house also has a beautiful gypsum, as you can see, and the lighting has a unique concept. There's a design they have added on the side. It's super cool. Okay. Welcome to the bedroom. So when you come to the bedroom, you're welcomed by the bed and two beautiful bedside drawers. You can see one has a decor on the top. The bed is spacious enough, you enjoy. And then you have the mats. As you can see, the mats are black and white. Again, the theme they have of black and white. Of course, maybe they had not thought about it, but I feel like it had a feel. There's a connection of the two colors in different aspects of this house. And then we have the wardrobe over here. This is a sliding door, and for a one bedroom, this is a huge wardrobe, if you ask me. Just look at it. This whole side and the other side is the equal side. So it's amazing. The other cool feature is the curtain. They have some sort of a touch of decor. So, and of course, you can see they are going with the bed, which is a very cool thing. Most people don't know how to coordinate their bedrooms, but this one is very well coordinated, and I love everything about it. They have not forgotten to provide the laundry basket, so you have it here. For the bedroom, we have an additional feature which excites me. The full mirror. You wake up, get yourself ready, look at yourself, be satisfied before you walk out of the room. How cool is that? The lighting in this bedroom is also unique. It has some touch of, it's bright, it's not so bright, but it gives you a cool feel when you're in the room. We have a beautiful artwork. As always, for this house, you have seen the coordination is spot on. This one stands out for me. I love this. I'd love to know your take on this house up to where we are right now before we finalize on the balcony. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Would you stay here? Would you just leave your house for a night out? Just chill in this house. Let's see what is behind the curtains. Oh, beautiful balcony. Wow. And they have set a sitting space for two, and they have already put the artificial grass, so you can enjoy your chill here. You just see, I love the environment. It has quite a number of trees, so you definitely get a breeze as you chill here, which is so cool. Okay, of course, for this house you're not going to be doing laundry, so they have a washing machine, and you can see they have invested in an LG. Not many houses you find LG products, but this one they have gone all out to ensure that you're comfortable and you enjoy your stay. This is the balcony. As you can see, it's a glass balcony, but they are durable, so you cannot easily fall. Okay, and the parking is on the ground floor, so you have nothing to worry when it comes to in case you're driving. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.